This week we're going to talk about 6 ways to make other people like you or find you interesting. These 6 ways will help you in your business life, your social life, and all aspects of talking and meeting new people. These lessons are from Dale Carnegie's famous book, How to Win Friends and Influence People. If you haven't read it, I highly recommend it. I read it every year and it has helped me in so many different ways. So let's dive into the 6 ways to make people like you. Number 1, show interest in others. If you want people to be interested in you, you have to be interested in them. That means showing them that general interest, that general energy of being interested in who they are as a person, what they do, whatever it is, have some interest in them, asking them questions, giving them general energy that makes them feel like you're interested in what they have to say, what they do, and who they are as a person. So if you give them interest, they will give interest right back. Number 2, your smile and your body language. Your smile is the first thing that people are going to see when they're looking at you or approaching you. It can be the difference between having somebody be standoffish or somebody coming up and opening up to you straight from the get-go. So having a strong smile when you look at people, as well as holding yourself in a manner that says you are welcome to come in here and talk to me, is a great way to get people interested in you and to feel like they can talk to you and open up with you. Number 3, remember and use somebody's name. Everybody loves to hear their name be used by someone else. When we can remember somebody's name and then use it in a sentence while we're talking to them, it triggers in their mind that this person trusts me and I can trust them. This opens up conversations where the other person is more likely to remember you. So remember a person's name when they give it to you and see if you can use it in the same conversation when you're first meeting them. Number 4, be a good listener. Everybody likes to talk about what is interesting or what they are doing. The best thing that you can give them is the gift of letting them talk about those things that they are interested in. If you can just be a listener and ask good questions that continue to keep the conversation going, they are more likely to like you and keep that conversation going so you can build up that friendship and trust. Number 5, talk about people's interests. This goes along with number 4, where once you start being a good listener, you can pick up on what people may be interested in. Or if you know you're going to meet with a person, it's doing a little research beforehand to find out what they're interested in. When you start talking about those things that they may be interested in, they become interested in you. So do a little research, find out what the person's interested in, and then shift the conversation to be around that interest so they start to trust you more. Number 6, make people feel important. It is human nature to want to feel appreciated. So the best thing you can give to somebody is making them feel important. You can do this with a compliment or telling somebody specifically that you appreciate what they've done for you, or it could be as simple as just giving them a fist bump as you're walking out. Whatever it is, show them appreciation and make them feel important. Those are the 6 ways to make people like you and to build interest in yourself. Use these techniques as much as you can to start building relationships in work, your social life, and throughout the rest of your life. So these are great tips that you can use all the time, anywhere, with any person. Get after it.